So, one of the questions I get asked all the time is, how is the pandemic going to affect my case? Well, timing wise, things are really slow if you've got a case in court. Courts are not hearing jury trials, courts have status calls. That is really about it at this point. The discovery is ongoing, the depositions, the written discovery, all that goes ahead. So the case progresses, but the ultimate end of the case, that is going to trial. Those trial dates are delayed and can't get a trial date right now. Don't know what the schedule is going to be, but you can figure that every case that is or needs to be filed in court is delayed by at least 6 months or a year at this point, while we just wait and wait for safety in the courts, wait for jurors being ready to come back to serve on juries. So it's frustrating. It's understandable, but it's not a great situation. We're suffering many ways in pretty much every aspect of society, and this is one of them. But the good news is I am seeing my uninsured and underinsured cases proceeding faster. We're able to get hearings. Lawyers and litigants, that is, claimants, are very willing to progress through Zoom hearings, through depositions, sworn statements, witness statements, even doctor's depositions, and then ultimately to have the final hearing attended online by Zoom with 3 arbitrators and the claimant, the witnesses if there are any. And it's usually about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get to the final decision in a case. And the fact is that there's availability of time, that if lawyers are not spending their time in the Daly Center or other courthouses, there is time to give attention to the cases. So that's a slight silver lining litigation-wise and getting cases over with. So as many of you know, I serve both as a lawyer to my clients on cases and am appointed quite often to serve as one of the 3 arbitrators being appointed to represent the side of the claimant, how do I say it? By the time we get to the hearing, we all evaluate the case, but I am appointed by the claimants in many cases, and have experienced really for years doing that, and I enjoy it. It's great. I consider that I'm part of the team to get the case to the hearing and then get the case through an arbitration award. Besides that, I do serve as sole arbitrator when appointed on AAA cases. That is usually with substandard insurance companies, and when they're ready for the hearing, they get the hearing. So the bottom line is that with the pandemic still raging, and we're waiting for that to settle down and get vaccines, hopefully, and be past that, we are seeing that cases and UIM cases are proceeding business as usual, if not a little bit accelerated. If you have any questions, I'm always happy to take your call. Call my office, Mike Manis, 312-704-4300, or send an email, mmanis@gmail.com. That's MMANNIS@gmail.com. Have a beautiful day, and we'll have some more insights soon. Bye-bye.